25 cozy living room ideas that feel warm and expensive. Your living room does not have to be huge, brand new, or filled with luxury furniture to feel expensive. Sometimes the difference between a room that feels plain and a room that feels warm and cozy and elevated comes down to those small details, the lighting, textures, maybe even the way that some of the furniture is arranged. Also, the colors you may have in the room and the pieces that you choose to layer. A cozy living room should feel like the place that you really come home to relax. But a cozy living room that also feels expensive, well, that takes a little more intention and a little more work, but it is doable. So in today's video, we're looking at 25 cozy living room ideas that can make your space feel warmer, more polished, and more beautiful without it making look like this overly staged Pinterest room. Now, whether your style is modern, traditional, bohemian, organic, farmhouse, or somewhere in between, these ideas can help you create a living room that feels inviting, layered, and expensive in all the best ways possible. But before we get into it, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Check the description box for some hand-curated pieces so you can bring this style home. Now, let's get into it. So first off, we are going to kick off with colors. My first tip would be choose warm neutrals instead of cold whites. So if you want your living room to feel cozy and expensive, start with the color temperature. Bright white walls can look really clean, but they also can feel really cold if the room doesn't have enough texture or warmth. Instead, consider warm whites, soft creams, even oatmeal or beige or grayish. The colors still feel fresh and bright, but they have a softer, more inviting feeling. Number 2, don't be afraid to use brown as a grounding color. I know a lot of people are so opposed to the color brown, but brown is one of the easiest ways to make a living room feel warm and expensive. Think walnut wood, caramel leather, chocolate velvet. Brown brings depth into a room without being too harsh. Brown also pairs beautifully with creams, blacks, greens, rust, and gold, and almost every neutral. Number 3, add muted green for a calm, cozy feeling. Green is one of those colors that can make a room instantly feel more grounded. But for a cozy, expensive look, try softer greens like olive or sage or moss, even a little eucalyptus or a muted down forest green. The shades feel natural and timeless. And it doesn't have to be the sofa or the big pieces that are this color. You can go for curtains, pillows, artwork, or even a chair or a plant. It brings life into the room without overwhelming it. Number 4, try deep accent colors. A cozy room does not have to be all light and neutral. Sometimes a deep color can make a space feel way more elegant. And just in case you're confused about what I mean when I say a dark color, I'm not just talking black. I'm thinking burgundy, navy, a deep plum, charcoal or forest green, or chocolate brown. Use these colors in small but powerful ways, maybe a velvet pillow, an accent chair, or a throw blanket. Little home decor tip for you, deep colors add richness. Number 5, repeat your color palette throughout the room. One of the biggest things that makes a living room feel expensive is repetition. If you have a beautiful warm brown in your coffee table, repeat it in a picture frame or on a basket or a lamp base. If you use green in your pillows, repeat it in artwork or a plant. Let the colors speak to each other. It doesn't have to be matchy-matchy perfectly, but it should feel connected. Tip number 6, add a soft area rug. Now, a rug instantly makes a living room feel warmer. It anchors the seating area, it softens the room, and it makes the room feel more finished. Now for an expensive look, choose a rug that is large enough for at least the front legs of your sofa and chairs to sit on it. Here's a little tip for you. A rug that is too small can make the room feel unfinished. Number 7, if you want to double up on your coziness, layer the rugs. Now, if you already have a plain rug, layer a smaller pattern rug on top of that. This works especially well if you have like jute rugs, or Persian style rugs, or vintage inspired rugs. Layering makes the room feel collected instead of just overly basic. It also adds a little bit of dimension, which is going to make the room feel more expensive. Number 8, use velvet pillows. Now velvet instantly adds softness and richness, and you do not need a velvet sofa to get the effect. A few velvet pillows can make a regular sofa feel a lot more luxurious. Try warm shades like rust or olive or chocolate. Velvet catches the light beautifully, so it adds depth. And you don't even have to pay a lot of money for the pillows themselves. When my friend was moving and didn't have a lot of money, we went to Hobby Lobby and got some bolts of velvet fabric and just kind of wrapped her existing pillows in that. Came out beautiful. Number 9, add a chunky knit or textured throw. Now a throw blanket is one of the easiest ways to make a living room feel cozy. But instead of a flat, thin throw, look for something with texture. A chunky knit, a waffle weave, a faux mohair, soft cotton, or woven fringe can all add warmth. Tip number 10, mix smooth and rough textures. A room feels more expensive when it has just a little bit of contrast. So pair a smooth velvet with a really rough woven basket. Pair polished wood with linen curtains. Pair ceramic lamps with a wool rug. The mix of textures helps to keep the room from feeling flat. If everything is smooth, the room is going to feel cold. If everything is rough, it's going to feel really heavy. The magic is in the balance. Number 11, bring in linen. Now linen has that relaxed, elegant look that instantly makes a space feel more natural. You can use linen curtains, linen pillow covers, linen slip covers, or linen lampshades. I love the fact that it does not look overly perfect, and that's part of the charm. Number 12, use woven details. Now woven textures are great for warming up a living room. Try woven baskets, rattan trays, cane chairs, seagrass ottomans, or even textured lampshades. These pieces bring in natural warmth and make the space feel way less manufactured and picture perfect-y. They also work with almost every style. Number 13, add wood tones. Now wood is one of the fastest ways to make a living room feel warm. A wood coffee table, side table, picture frame, console, a stool, or a bowl can all make a huge difference. Now for a very cozy, expensive look, avoid making every wood tone exactly the same. A collected room often has a mix of wood finishes. Number 14, choose comfortable looking seating. A living room should invite people to sit down. If your sofa looks really stiff or formal or uncomfortable, the room never really feels truly cozy. So look for soft cushions, rounded edges, and deep seating. Number 15, pull furniture away from the walls. If your living room allows it, try pulling your furniture slightly away from the walls. Even a few inches can make the room feel more designed. A sofa pushed flat against the wall can sometimes cheapen it just a little bit. Which leads me to my next tip, number 16, create a conversation zone. Arrange your sofa and chairs so they feel connected. If every seat only faces the TV, the room can feel less cozy and more like a waiting room. Try angling a chair toward the sofa, add a side table between the seats. Make the room feel like people could actually talk, relax, and linger. Number 17, add an accent chair. Now, an accent chair can make a living room feel more complete. It's going to add some shape, some color, some texture, something that you wouldn't want to have in a full sofa form, but you can choose something that contrasts your sofa a little bit. So if your sofa is plain, choose a chair with a little bit of texture. If your sofa is dark, try a lighter chair. Next up, use a coffee table with character. A coffee table is one of the main focal points in a living room. To make the room feel more expensive, choose a coffee table that has presence. It could be wood, it could be stone, metal, vintage, round, oversized. The options are endless here. Don't let your coffee table feel like an afterthought. It should really help anchor the entire seating area. Number 19, add side tables where people actually need them. Now, a cozy living room is not just pretty, it actually works. If someone sits down and has nowhere to place a drink or a book or a lamp, the room is just going to feel a little bit off. Side tables make the room feel more comfortable and thoughtful. They also give you another place to add lamps and books and candles and other small decor items. Number 20, include at least one vintage or antique style piece. One reason expensive rooms often feel special is because they do not look like they were bought all at once. Have you ever seen those rooms? There are a ton of them on Pinterest, and it looks like someone just went on a furniture website and just clicked add to cart. Doesn't look like anything was collected over time. But adding one vintage piece can instantly make a living room feel more collected. Now, this could be a side table, a mirror, or a cabinet. Even one older looking piece adds a lot of character. I hope you guys are still with me. If you are, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with all of the videos that I drop. Right now, I'm dropping about 3 videos a week. Number 21. Stop relying only on overhead lighting. This is one that I always preach about because it's so important. Overhead lighting can be harsh, especially in the evening. If you want your living room to feel cozy and expensive, you have to layer your lighting. Use table lamps, floor lamps, sconces, or candles. A room with layered lighting feels softer, warmer, and like you actually put some thought into the design. Number 22, this is something I had to learn. Use warm light bulbs. So here's a funny little story. I actually used to be a vlogger on YouTube for a while. And if you know anything about recording, you have to have the brightest, whitest lights possible. So all the lights in our home were daylight bulbs. If your bulbs are too cool like mine, the room may feel very sterile. So choose warm white bulbs for a cozy feeling. Number 23, add a table lamp on a side table. So a couple of numbers ago, we talked about that side table. And a table lamp is not just practical, it also adds atmosphere. Placing one on a side table, a console, a cabinet, it creates this pool of light which makes the room feel intimate. Now, I know one concern a lot of people have is they may not have a plug handy. Check the description box. I've placed a lamp there that is actually battery operated. All you have to do is plug it in and charge it, and it can work on your lamp, and you can place it anywhere since it doesn't need to be plugged in. Number 24. So we already said cut those overheads off in the evening. But what if you still have some dark corners? Well, try a floor lamp in one of those corners. Every living room has that one corner that just feels kind of dead and blah. Now, a floor lamp can bring it back to life. Use a floor lamp near a reading chair or beside the sofa. It adds height, warmth, and function. And last but not least, number 25. Use picture lights or sconces. Now, picture lights can make artwork look way more elevated. Check the description box. I'll also link the ones that I have there as well. It just makes your artwork and your canvases look so fancy schmancy, even if they're straight from Amazon. Now, wall sconces can also make a room feel more custom and expensive. And you can even find plug-in sconces if you don't want to have to hardwire anything. So this has been part 1 of this video, and if you want your living room to feel warmer and more expensive, start with the details that create that feeling. Warm color, layered texture, soft lighting, on and on. You don't need to replace everything. Sometimes a little tweak here and there does the job. And that is how you create a living room that feels cozy and elevated and beautiful to come home to. Now, like I said, this is just part 1, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when part 2 drops. And let me know in the comments which one of these ideas would you try first. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for hand-picked decor pieces that can really help you create a warm and expensive looking living room in your own home. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.